The Sana'a Armed Forces have carried out on Thursday a new drone attack against military targets inside Abha International Airport in the Asir region, southwestern Saudi Arabia. Spokesman of Sana'a Forces, Brigadier General Yahya Sarie, announced in a statement obtained by Alkhabar Alyemeni. According to General Sarie, the Air Force had launched a new attack on Abha International Airport with 2 drones of the qasef type, striking military sites inside the airport. The spokesman confirmed that the drone attacks accurately hit the targets at the airport, saying that this attack comes in response to the aggression's crimes and its continued siege on the Yemeni people. Earlier on Monday, the Yemeni forces launched a drone strike at Abha International Airport, targeting civilian travelers using one qasef type drone.